Happy Halloween! Today we're making chicken and waffles. I've snuck a little bit of pumpkin into the waffles and it's gonna be delicious. Today's here is the chicken. Deliciously crispy, succulent, juicy chicken with a hint of peri-peri spice. We're gonna add this to it. Just add a little bit of kick and it's gonna be great. So first up, we're going to marinate the chicken in buttermilk. That just really tenderizes the chicken a little bit, adds great flavor, a little bit of sour. Okay, so that's gonna go into the fridge for 2 hours to marinate. And then in the meantime, we're gonna mix our KNORR peri-peri sauce into our flour. Just gooi your fork in there, off you go. Next up, we're gonna make the waffles. Pumpkin waffles. So you add just a little bit of pumpkin puree to your normal waffle mix and it's just gonna add sort of like a little sweet savouriness to it. It's quite delicious. First up, gooi all the dry ingredients together. So it's gonna be the flour, the salt and the baking powder. Next up, you're gonna gooi all the wet ingredients into a bowl. So it's gonna be butter, eggs, buttermilk, and then pumpkin puree. Time to mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients now until combined, and then you're gonna make those waffles. We're gonna take some of this buttermilk and we're gonna pop it into the flour, mix it up with a fork, and it's gonna sort of add like lumpy pockets. Chicken time. Oh, I can smell that KNORR peri-peri. So we're gonna fry now, 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so while that is frying, we're gonna make a very special syrup. So a spicy golden syrup that we're gonna pour over the top, and it's like a little bit different, but it goes so well with the chicken and waffles. To make the spicy syrup, add half a cup of water, the remaining peri-peri sauce mix, and half a cup of golden syrup. Bring to the boil, simmer for a few moments to thicken, and voila. All that's left to do now is to put it all together. Crispy fried, spicy chicken and pumpkin waffles. Ta-da! Let's taste a little batch. Pumpkin waffles, pretty freaking delicious and interesting. Crispy chicken. Happy Halloween, everyone. I know you might be thinking, what am I dressed as? Some, like my cameraman, might say a little bit of fifth element. Others might say we didn't have time to find a costume, so I bought this.